Hello everyone and welcome back to Python lectures. Here this is yet another video in patterns in Python, and here we shall be seeing how we can draw capital letter F. Now before getting into the program, I shall be advising you to go and watch the pattern series in my playlist completely, because these patterns are very easy to understand. The alphabetical patterns or the shape which we are drawing, this is very easy. If you have gone through the complete playlist, this will take hardly around 4 minutes to understand, right? So let us see the program without wasting time. Again, you can see that the capital letter F is drawn in form of a table, right? And I shall be numbering them as it is, as you have seen in the previous videos, right? So I have 7 rows and I have 5 columns over here, right? So we have numbered. Because it is a table or a matrix form of representation, we shall be using nested for loops. The range is 7. The row will get value from 0 to 6 over here. You can see 0 to 6, and we shall be getting the column number as 5. So 0 to 4, and you can see that the number as 0 to 4 over here. Right now, when we want to draw the stars, so that condition we shall be representing in the if statement, right? So you have already seen that we want stars over here. So this is very simple. We want star wherever the column value is equal to 0, right? So if column is equal to 0, I want a stars, right? These stars I'm talking about, right? Now when we need stars, we need star when the row number is equal to 0, we need these stars, and when the row number is equal to 3, we need these stars, right? This is very similar to capital letters C and E, right? So you can go and watch the videos for capital letter C and E. This is a similar video, right? So whenever the row is equal to 0, whenever the row is equal to 3, I need stars, but we have already drawn these 2 stars, right? We already drawn these 2 stars when the column is equal to 0. So I do not want to overwrite it. For this, I shall be making use of an AND condition which says column should be greater than 0. That means I want stars in row 0 and 3, but the column should be greater than 0. That means whenever the column number is 1, 2, 3 and 4, I need stars, right? So these stars will be drawn over here. Very simple video, right? So when the column is equal to 0, I need stars. When the row is equal to 0 and when the row is equal to 3, I need stars. But make sure when you are drawing the row stars, we do not want this star to get overwrite. So an AND condition is over here, that whenever the column number is 1, 2, 3 and 4, draw the stars, right? So whenever this if condition is true, I need a star. Otherwise, else I need space over here, right? And this if statement which is out of this for loop, this is for changing the rows, right? So this is a very simple program, right? Similar to C and E. Let us go to the Python screen and see whether this particular code is giving us the same pattern or not.
Right. So this is the code for capital letter F with 2 nested for loops for row range equal to 7 0 to 6 and column range equal to 5, that is 0 to 4. Talking about the if condition, we want stars when the column is equal to 0 and when the row is equal to 0 and 3, plus we do not want to overwrite the stars of column 0. So here we have mentioned that we want the stars when the row is equal to 0 and 3, but we do not want it in column 0, right? So we are targeting when the column is greater than 0, right? So that is the same in the slides, right? So this print statement is when the if condition is true, print star, else print spaces, right? Otherwise, this is in the outer for loop for changing the lines. So let us run the code and see if we are getting capital letter F. Yes, we are getting capital letter F and it is working very fine. So that was capital letter F, and for more such videos, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.